If you're looking for an intense power yoga sequence that will stretch, strengthen and tone your body, then this is the sequence for you. Welcome to Natya Aerobics and Natya Shakti Yoga with me, Prajuti Madhusudan. Today in this video, I have combined some of the warrior poses together to form a nice dance sequence, which will give you a total body workout. I have combined Viprita Virabhadrasana with Trikonasana, Virabhadrasana 1 and Virabhadrasana 2 with Parsvottanasana and with a spinal twist as well. This will be done as a flow and that will really stretch your entire body. But please do listen to your body. You don't have to do the whole sequence if you're not prepared, if you're not ready for it just yet. Take it slow, do whatever your body allows you to do. And please do consult your physician before you do any workout, any exercise. Okay, so let's begin by preparing our body first. We will start with some gentle breathing exercises. We will inhale as we raise our arms up and exhale as we bring our arms down. Okay, so keep your feet comfortably wide apart. They don't have to be together, just comfortable. Relax your body, relax your shoulders. Breathe in as you raise your arms up. Look at your thumbs. Breathe out as you bring them down. And join them in front of your chest. Again, breathe in, trying to hug the sky. And bring your thumbs together. Breathe out, bring your arms down and to your chest again. Again, breathe in, raise your arms up. And breathe out. One more time, breathe in. And breathe out. Now just raise your heels one at a time. That's it. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and raise that leg and step to the side and dip. And raise that leg and center. Raise the left leg and dip. And raise and center. We're just warming up. Lift and dip. And lift. Together and lift and dip and lift together. Well done. Take your legs wide apart, comfortably wide apart, and you're going to press your belly into your spine. Bend your knees and pull your belly in and push your belly and chest out. Pull your belly into your spine and just a spine, just relaxing your back muscles by doing this. Just curving your spine, pulling your tummy in and pushing it out. Now I want you to place your palms in front of your chest. Gently stretch your leg and the other way. And to your right and to your left. And raise your elbows up and to your left. Breathe out as you go out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And drop your knees. And bring your arms down. Stand up and take them down. Raise your arms up as you straighten your legs. Bring your arms down, bend your knees, and down, and up. Bring it down. One more time, raise your arms, and down. Relax, bend your body forward. Now place your palms on your thighs. Bring your right shoulder towards your left knee. Bring it to the center. And left shoulder down. center, and right shoulder, center, and left shoulder down, center, and right shoulder down, center, and left, center, and right, center, left, center, and right, center, and raise yourself up, feet together. Relax. Okay, are we ready to start now? I think we have just stretched our muscles and just relaxed our bodies. Take your right leg out, 1, and left leg out. Turn your right leg, right angle, left foot facing about 20 degrees inwards. Okay, now raise your right arm, 1, and up as you breathe in, and bring it down, and triangle, and raise it up again. Breathe in, lift the back heel up, and twist, and raise your arm up, deep lunge, lift yourself up, and warrior 1. Straighten your leg, Parsvottanasana, and raise. Turn the other way, and warrior 2, and lift, and triangle. Raising your arms up again. Roll your arms, lift the back heel, twist, and lift, deep lunge. Drop the back heel, come into warrior 1. And Parsvottanasana. And raising yourself up into warrior 2. And Virabhadrasana, Viparita Virabhadrasana, going back. Come up, go into Trikonasana. Roll your arms. Spinal twist with a deep lunge. Raise your arms up, deep lunge. Straighten your legs, drop the back heel. And warrior 1. Come down, bring your chest to your thighs. And Parsvottanasana. Raise your arm up. Turn the other way. Warrior 2. And Viparita Virabhadrasana. And you go into Trikonasana. Breathe out every time you go down. And you roll your arms into a spinal twist. Raise your arms up. Deep lunge. Lifting yourself up. Warrior 1. Bring your chest down. Straighten that leg. Into Parsvottanasana. Roll your arms up. Turn into Virabhadrasana 2. We're going to do the sequence 2 more times. So lift into Viparita Virabhadrasana. And Trikonasana. Roll your arms into the deep lunge, spinal twist. Lift your palms up, enjoying them. Deep lunge. Raise yourself. Drop that heel. Go into warrior 1. And straighten your leg as you go down. Into Parsvottanasana. Bend the front knee. Lift your arms up. And turn into Virabhadrasana 2. Then raise your arm up. Viparita Virabhadrasana. Go into Trikonasana. You're going to roll your arms. Spinal twist. Lift the back heel up. Raise your arm. Lift yourself up. Drop that heel and go into Virabhadrasana 1. Straighten your leg as you go down. Parsvottanasana. Bend your knee. yourself. And turn. And I'm going to hold each posture now. So you go down into Virabhadrasana 2. Breathe in for 1. Breathe out for 2. Breathe in for 3. Breathe out for 4. Raise your arm up. Breathe in for 1. Stay here. Breathe out for 2. Breathe in for 3. Breathe out for 4. Straighten your leg as you breathe in. Drop yourself into Trikonasana. Breathe in for 1. Breathe out for 2. Breathe in for 3. Breathe out for 4. Roll your arms. Deep lunge with a twist. Stay here. Breathe in for 1. Breathe out for 2. Breathe in for 3. Breathe out for 4. Raise your arms. Deep lunge. Breathe in for 1. Breathe out for 2. Breathe in for 3. Breathe out for 4. Raise yourself. Drop your heel. Come into Virabhadrasana 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in as you breathe out. Straighten your leg. As you go down, push your chest towards your knee. Drop your palms down. Breathe in. Lengthen your spine. Breathe out. Push your tailbone and drop your palms. Breathe in. Lengthen your spine. Pull your tummy in. Breathe out. Drop your palms. Breathe in. Bend your knee. Breathe out. Lift your arm and turn into warrior 2 on the other side. Breathe in as you breathe out. Go down. Hold that position. Breathe in for 1. Breathe out for 2. Breathe in for 3. Breathe out for 4. Raise your arm. Breathe in for 1. Breathe out for 2. Breathe in for 3. Breathe out for 4. Straighten your leg. Go all the way down. Triangle pose. Breathe in for 1. Breathe out for 2. Breathe in for 3. Breathe out for 4. Now roll your arms. Lift the back heel and hold deep lunge. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, raise your arms up. Breathe out, hold it there. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, straighten your legs. Breathe out, warrior 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. As you breathe out, straighten that leg and go down. Breathe in, lengthen your spine. Breathe out, push your tailbone back as you drop your arm. Breathe in. Breathe out, push your palm into the floor if you can. Breathe in. Breathe out. Walk your hands to the center. Bend your knees and slowly lift yourselves up. Well done. Bring your legs in together. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Well done. So now we're going to go into child's pose. So just to relax our entire body. So please go down on the mat. Put your knee on either side of the mat. Join your toes together. Sit in between your heels. Place your palms down. And gently as you breathe out, walk your hands forward. Walk them. Lengthening your spine. Go down gently. Place your forehead on the floor and then bend your elbows. And stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's stretch your arms. Walk your hands back as you breathe in. Lift yourselves up. Bring your knees together. And you can sit with your knees together and your heels on either side just to relax. So I hope you like this workout, this stretch, the total body stretch. Please do subscribe to my channel, Natya Aerobics and Natya Shakti Yoga with Prajyoti, where I've posted lots of videos on aerobics, step-by-step tutorials on how to do Natya Aerobics, some videos on how to do some asanas. So please do press the bell icon so that you get notification of videos that I keep uploading. And I shall see you in my next video. Till then, have a fabulous day. Take care. Bye.